I am joined by Mr. Muralidhara Rao, the Joint Director of ACE Designers Limited, the Machining Center Division. Sir has taken time out of his busy schedule to come talk to us about ACE Micromatic Group's participation in the upcoming ACMEE 2025 event and also shed light on the growth trajectory of the Indian machine tool industry. Sir, so attendees are excited to know that AMG will be participating in ACMEE 2025. Could you please tell us a bit about the machines that will be on display, as well as how these offerings will align with current trends in terms of automation, Industry 4.0, and digital manufacturing?
Coming to the ACME is always a great feeling because the association is just 23 years young. That's the kind of relationship we share. We are the platinum sponsor since 2002 for this ACME. This is a big platform for us to showcase the products for particularly the South and predominantly dominated by the Detroit of India, the Chennai. And we are exhibiting the two products. One is the MCH 400 machine and horizontal machining center. We have the index table, one index table. You can offer the rotary table. We can give the 40 tool magazine. It can be the 60 tool magazine also. And a completely, the product has been developed keeping the present trend of the IoT in the mind. As you know, this part of our industrial belt is predominantly dominated by aerospace and followed by the commercial vehicles, and also the latest sensation is that of EMS and EV. We are catering our products to take care of these segments. Having said this, what we are doing within our organization for the IoT, we have got the AMG MIoT is a platform which has been launched, already been successfully implemented with our customer base. And we have got the three versions of the AMG MIoT, M for manufacturing. And one is the basic version where we can see the data of that particular machine on the screen. Predominantly, the IoT is all about the real-time data, what is happening in terms of the productivity, the OE of the particular machine. It also captures the temperature, it also captures the vibration, and it also captures the sensors have been put in the machine to get these data, which is going to enable the machines to work relentlessly. That's the whole objective of that. The second version, we have got the remote one of the AMG MIoT, where you can connect the machines in your factory, all the machines, and get upgraded all the information at one particular place. This is going to make a remarkable change in the manufacturing industry. That's what we strongly believe in. And the third version is going to be on the cloud-based version. In the cloud-based version, we are looking at remotely controlling the machine from our place. The future belongs to the predictive maintenance. We need to know what is exactly is happening, which parameter, the temperature, the vibration of the machines. They're the one which decide the maintenance aspect of the machine and the productivity aspect of the machine and the reliability aspect of the machine. So we are geared up with our product AMG MIoT, which is going to be a game changer for all our manufacturing sector, and that's in the new offering from our end.
Now that we know how AMG's machines that will be on display will cater to emerging trends in the industry, so we would like to know what is in it for the visitors that will be coming to your booth. As a long-standing practice, would you extend guidance and assistance to startup SMEs that will drop by at your booth during the exhibition?
Absolutely, there is no doubt in that. See, even at ADL MCD, 70% of our customers are from the MSME sector. That is to begin with. And we have got nearly 15% of our customers from the Tamil Nadu. We are looking at one-stop solution. We don't want to sell the product. We want to sell the solution, a manufacturing solution. And we have the products starting from as low as 15.5 lakhs. And it only makes the CNC technology affordable. We're looking at how we can make our MSME sectors excited to buy the machine. So that's where a complete machining center is coming as low as 15.5 lakhs. to 16.5 lakhs, you can have a full-fledged machining center. And that is the beauty of the product segment. We also look at training and educating our customers. We need to handhold our customers. We have got the tech centers. We have got nearly 75 different locations in the country we are present. So that this is the largest in the organized sector in India. No other machine tool builders can talk about such a massive sales and service network, where in the tech center we demonstrate our products. All these customers, they come, they can feel, they can experience our product at our premises. Next one, we are also looking at giving the maintenance aspect, the training for the maintenance and also the training for the programming. And these are all the initiatives that we are looking at for the MSMEs.
As a veteran yourself, sir, in this industry, you have witnessed the machine tool industry evolve over the years. So on that note, could you tell us how you foresee the growth of Indian CNC machines in domestic markets as well as international markets in the next few years? As well as, do you see any new industry sectors placing more demands in the near future?
The first reflection, how do you foresee the future? Exciting. That's the word I would like to say. Why it is so? See, today, India in the machine tool segment, we are 9th in production and 6th in consumption on the global map. This is the first part of the story. The base is quite small right now. And if you see the world machine tool, the business, the size, it's around 90 billion US dollar. Now where it is heading towards? By 2030, it is expected to touch 120 billion US dollar. It's a massive segment and massive expansion is going to happen in this particular sector. Second thing, in the manufacturing sector, today the GDP contribution from the manufacturing sector is 16%. Whereas we are looking at the country is envisaged to make a journey to make it 25%. It's again the massive growth we are expecting. This is only indication that the manufacturing sector is on the boom curve for the next 5 years. Now the country is gearing up to become 5 trillion economy by 2027, which is around the corner. The expectation is post 2027, for every 18 months, India is going to add 1 trillion economy, which is something unbelievable is going to happen. And this is a big opportunity that we look forward to, particularly all the fraternities of the manufacturing sector is going to reap this benefit. And that's where I'm quite excited. The opportunities are going to be there. Where does this opportunity is going to come? That's the next question. I can say with the statistics, EMS segment is going to stand right on top. Electronic segment with 26% of the growth is expected for the next 5 years, year on year. Followed by plenty of sunrise sectors are coming, which is going to contribute for around 22%. And we have the automotive segment contributing for around 10%. And we have the engineering and the die industry that is going to contribute around 15%. Of course, the aerospace and the defense is going to contribute for 8%. So, all the fraternity for the manufacturing segment and also the machine tool, they're going to keep an eye on this segment. And that's the one which is going to be an detrimental and also a game changer in the next 5 years.
Thank you so much, sir. Now that we've seen how ecstatic sir is and how it reflects the energy here at ACE Micromatic Group, I am pretty sure that attendees will make sure ACE Micromatic Group is a must-visit booth at the upcoming ACMEE 2025 exhibition that will take place from June 19 to 23rd, 2025 at the Chennai Trade Center. So mark your calendars.